In this Foxy Tech video, you'll learn how to check for Steam updates on Steam Deck. Make sure you're in gaming mode, not desktop mode, before you start. First, press the Steam button on your Steam Deck. Next, open Settings. From there, go to System, then next to Software Updates, tap Check for Updates. If an update is available, you'll be prompted to install it right there. That's how to check for Steam updates on Steam Deck. If this was helpful, subscribe to Foxy Tech for more Steam Deck tutorials.